everybody, welcome back to COVID Connect. Today is our last video in the Faith and Reason series, and we'll be talking about Gregor Johann Mendel. Mendel was born in 1822 in what is now the Czech Republic and died in 1884. Mendel grew up helping his family tend their orchards, and this early work with agriculture would cultivate his interest in botany later. The family was highly religious, though very poor, and this cultivated his desire for religious life. Mendel was destined to work on the family farm for the rest of his life, but his teachers took note of his potential and persuaded Mendel's parents to send him to receive a higher education. Upon graduation, Mendel entered the monastic life at the Augustinian Abbey of St. Thomas. He continued to study botany, zoology, chemistry, and physics. It was while he was teaching on these topics that he began to work with his famous peat plants. While working with these plants, he developed his laws of inheritance, which is a great influence on our understanding of genetics today. Mendel was unanimously voted abbot of the monastery in 1866, which was a true testament to this man's faith and love for the Lord. As abbot, he worked to diversify his monastery by letting in more Czech novices compared to the number of German applicants in the past. He also was in a constant war with the government, who insisted on taxing the monastery. It wasn't until after Mendel's death that the government relieved them of their tax obligation and actually refunded the monastery some of the money that they had paid in the past. Like many figures in history, Mendel's work was not appreciated during his time. It was actually a few decades later that his work was rediscovered and was implemented into the scientific community as we know it today. So that is all for today. We will see you next week. Peace.